Hi, welcome to my Healthy Living channel. Today we want to talk about why is Nopal helpful for your health and wellness, and why should you consume routinely Nopal. What is Nopal? Nopales or Nopalitos are the pets of the Nopal cactus. Individuals consume them as a dietary veggie, and they frequently show up in dining establishments, food stores, farmers markets across the American Southwest as well as Mexico. Individuals can saute them as well as include them to a range of recipes, including tacos and scrambled eggs, or prepare them as a side recipe with tomatoes, onions, and chili. Nopales are likewise eatable when raw. When a person dices them, they resemble a green pepper. Individuals can transform them right into juice, jams, or tea. Individuals can additionally eat irritable pear fruit, or called the prickly fruit, pear fruit, which is the tiny rounded and also typically vivid part of the nopal plant. The prickly pear fruit juice is a popular drink for health-conscious consumers in Mexico. Did you know the nopal, in addition to as food, is coming to be a component in dietary supplements to drop weight due to its recognizable along with certain splendor insoluble fiber? But don't think that when you consume currently over the whole day just nopal will certainly obtain you to slim down. I would certainly not be sure about it. This stands apart to name brand new functions for the ability to videotape water as well as also provide a feeling of satiety in the stomach. For this reason, soluble fiber supplements can be handy to decrease cravings in slendering programs. The nopal is additionally connected anticipated beneficial impacts in the reduction of fat absorption as well as capability to get rid of a few of the lipids contributed by the diet regime strategy. Although these features are hypotheses, along with still need to be shown and still have to be confirmed. As a result, studies were made for that purpose appropriately created along with entirely extensive to guarantee securely whether the nopal is effective as a dietary supplement in weight loss. Researchers executed with different other resources of fiber besides nopal used as help in weight loss have in fact disclosed that they improve blood glucose and also minimize blood lipids. Although there are no significant differences in weight as well as body makeup, lean mass, and also fat mass. Because of this, currently there is no scientific proof to market the nopal as an efficient product in weight loss. So we have to wait on a few other plans to help us drop weight. Yes, and yet I would certainly not be so positive. The best way to reduce weight is always to exercise each day as well as consume in a reliable method your nutrients. Stay clear from the so loved bread that is delicious right here in the country. But if you are a bread eater like me, try to reduce it as to a low quantity each day, or eat one day bread and the other day don't eat it. I understand it, it's very tough, and also I have the very same issue with it. The very best method is to acquire just occasionally a week or so. You will not be tempted to eat it at a minimum of this is a way I attempt to do it. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it does not. You have to locate your very own means to decrease it as much as possible. What are the benefits of nopal? The known advantages of fresh nopal juice include lowering blood glucose, healing wounds, and also decreasing cholesterol. There are very few human studies on the nopal cactus and its ability to treat or protect against condition. However, lots of research studies from trusted resources of the nopal plant family members are sure in the truth that the plant has numerous antioxidant and anti-inflammatory values. Various other research studies from the testimonial claim that the nopal might soothe pain, enhance immune task, as well as protect the liver. These are reasons that experts or standard medication have used both parts of the nopal plant for treating and preventing a series of conditions and symptoms that are glaucoma, wounds, exhaustion, liver conditions, as well as ulcers. In Mexico, cactus plants likewise play a role in traditional medication for the therapy of diabetic issues. Some researchers with tiny groups checked the impacts of nopal in two groups of individuals with kind 2 diabetes. Both groups of participants ate a high carb morning meal, one team eating nopal with their breakfast while the various other did not. The nopal team had dramatically reduced blood sugar level and also insulin decrease after the dish when researchers compared them with the individuals that did not have nopal. Like the majority of vegetables and fruits, nopal and also prickly pear include some fiber which is valuable for handling diabetic issues. These foods can be part of a high fiber diet that can lower blood sugar level, reduce insulin decrease, and also improve decrease of lipids or fat compounds in the blood. Nutrition or nutrients of nopal. Did you know that a cup of raw nopals contains these kinds of nutrients as calories, healthy protein, fat, carb, fiber, sugar, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and vitamin K? A prickly pear fruit includes the flavonoids camphorol and quercetin. Flavonoids are plant substances that provide fringe benefits in the body since they have antioxidant and also anti-inflammatory buildings or substances. According to researchers, they have learned that the different colors of prickly pears have different contents of antioxidants, whereas the red purple has the highest possible content of antioxidants. 4. Are there any type of threats when eating nopal? Manufacturers of industrial nopal juice items often blend it with other juices such as pineapple, orange, or grapefruit. These juices, because of their sugar, might raise the quantity of sugar that a nopal juice item gives. People with diabetic issues must monitor the quantity of sugar intake. It is best to pick the whole fresh fruit rather than juice. Some individuals may desire to press the fresh fruit straight from the fruit in the house. In lots of parts of Mexico, suppliers sell fresh nopal juice after making of use faucet water to rinse the plant. They do not utilize pasteurization or any kind of antibacterial processing. In numerous regions, they utilize livestock manure as a fertilizer. This can generate some wellness issues for the customer as capturing coli or salmonella. That is, that you must always buy nopal juice from respectable resources. Just for remembering you that besides the benefits, there are also dangers when you are not taking the required treatment. 5. Ways to prepare nopal for your morning meal. One way to prepare nopal is to take one or two pieces of nopal, clean it, and put under water circulation and also with a little bit of soap. Preheat a frying pan as well as place the bit of olive oil in there, and after that put the nopal right into the heated up pan. Roast gently on both sides for regarding about 5 minutes per side and then eat it with beans as well as chili peppers. I like chile habanero and also consume it with tortillas. This is a real healthy morning meal, but not just when it comes to breakfast. However, nopal cactus is also a functional ingredient whether a person utilizes the pads or the prickly pear fruit. You can eat prickly pear fruit raw after removing the skin. Simply bear in mind that the fruit is filled with seeds. In case you don't like to consume the seeds, then the very best means is to put some prickly pears in the blender add some water to it and also mix it, as well as after that you filter the juice and drink it without the seeds. It is a pleasant as well as healthy drink that you can take pleasure in with your meal or just when you are dehydrated. In summary, did you know they are helpful for a well-balanced diet regime and also even may help to lower blood sugar, reduce inflammation and reduce cholesterol? The nopal fruit is high in antioxidants, vitamins, and also minerals. The leaves of the nopal cactus, as well as extracts as a herbal treatment, can sustain the administration of numerous wellness problems. If you like this video, please subscribe and wait for the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.